Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study final year MBBS subjects. First, identify your core subjects and their weightage in the final exams. Next, create a realistic study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each topic. Remember to integrate both theoretical knowledge and practical application from the start. This foundational approach will build a strong understanding for your upcoming assessments. For medicine, focus on pathophysiology and clinical presentations. Discuss cases with peers and seniors to solidify your understanding. In surgery, visualize procedures and review anatomy thoroughly. Pediatrics requires attention to age-specific conditions and developmental milestones. For obstetrics and gynecology, grasp the principles of antenatal care and labor management. Actively participate in ward rounds and clinics to apply your learning. Practice presenting cases and discussing differential diagnoses. Consistent revision is key. Use spaced repetition for better retention. Solving past papers helps you understand question styles and manage your time effectively during exams. Don't just memorize, strive to understand the why behind each concept. Collaborate with your peers. Teaching others often strengthens your own understanding. Practice under timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Remember, your well-being is crucial. Ensure you get enough rest, eat nutritious meals, and take short, refreshing breaks. A calm mind performs better under pressure, so prioritize self-care throughout your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.